Paging is a great way to communicate with your fellow staff members and give you guys some flexibility while still ensuring floor coverage. Let's look at the system. It's basically two parts. We've got the paging base unit and the actual pagers that will receive the page. To turn the unit on, we're going to slide the button on the top from the off position to the little megaphone with a line through it, and this is vibrate mode. There's also on many units a megaphone without the line through it, and that's tone mode. When we slide the button to vibrate mode, the unit buzzes and starts flashing in the box to show us that it's ready. When we set it to tone mode, it'll give a single beep and again flash to show that it's ready. The paging system allows you to choose who you want to page. You can page an AST, a PSS, the supervisor or person in charge, a specific unit, or everybody at once. Please see the handoff video for examples of when you'd want to page these different groups. Sending a page is a little like placing a phone call, just much, much simpler. Each unit is assigned a 3-digit code, and when you page, you use a 4-digit code. The first 3 digits are there to accommodate the pager number, and the fourth is there to give as a location code. Here are the location codes we're currently using in the district. Location code 1 is for the reference area. Location code 2 is for the front desk. Location code 3 is children's. And location code 4 is the call center. Let's say we want to page one specific pager unit, and it's pager unit 103. If we would like pager unit 103 to page to go to children's, location code 3, here's what we would punch in. 103 and another 3 for the children's location code. Then we're going to press page. Often we want to page whole groups of pagers, however. That's where the group key on the base unit comes in, right here. The group key works like a wildcard. So let's say we have several pagers and their units are 103 and 104. To page both of these pagers and tell them to come to children's, we would press 1 for the first digit of the pager numbers, group, and location code 3. Basically, we're telling it page units that start with digit 1 and have any other digits in their pager number and send them to location code 3. The AST pagers are all numbered starting with 1. They have unit numbers like 103 and 104. The PSS units all start with the number 2. Units 202, and this one's 201. And the supervisor units all start with the number 3. This one is 301. To page all the PSSs, you would punch in 2, group, and the location code. Let's say we want to send them to the reference area. And hit page. The base unit stores the last page that was sent. To repeat a page, just page again. To clear a page and start a new one, just hit the cancel button. To page all the units, press group. It shows you that that is going to page all, and choose your location code. Let's say the call center, location code 4, and press page. And there they go. How to page the different groups is posted on every base unit for your reference. When a paging unit receives a page, it buzzes for approximately 8 seconds and flashes the location code in the box. To acknowledge the page, just press down on the button that we used to turn the unit on once, and that will acknowledge the page. Pressing that button also shows the location code again in the window. If you do not acknowledge the pager will give a short buzz approximately every 60 seconds to remind you. Pressing the button on the top will also scroll through the history of the last several pages. You are now ready to buzz your coworkers